What plants keep insects under control? In this video, we will indicate you 7 plants that repulse insects and bugs. Mosquitoes and flies are 2 insects that consistently fly around our home and disturb us, and as though that wasn't at that point sufficiently awful, they can likewise transmit illnesses. At whatever point we see them around our home, our first response is more often than not to get some anti-agents to fend off them. In any case, did you realize that there are a few plants that can likewise keep these insects far from your home? What's more, they can likewise ward off different pests, for example, aphids, cochineals, and caterpillars. Best of all, they're normal also, notice much superior to anything bug splash. These plants repulse insects because of the basic oils exhibit in them, which happen to be what give them their charming smell. At the end of the day, having rosemary or lavender planted in your garden will fundamentally decrease the appearance of these undesirable insects. In the present video we will demonstrate to you a portion of the best plants to keep insects and pests from our homes and gardens. Basil. Basil is extraordinary at repulsing mosquitoes and flies, and since it does best in coordinate daylight, it ought to be put close entryways or windows. Besides, you can utilize it as a flavoring because of its delectable aroma. Marigolds. You've most likely observed these splendid yellow blossoms enriching gardens previously. In any case, you might not have realized that they can repulse insects. Much the same as basil, marigolds additionally radiate a wonderful scent that alarms off bugs. Catnip. While catnip may draw in felines, it wards off mosquitoes. An examination has even demonstrated that it's 10x more strong than most locally acquired anti-agents. Rosemary. We've just discussed rosemary oil's well-being on this channel, yet its aroma is additionally capable insects away. Much the same as basil, rosemary is additionally an incredible flavoring, which gives you another motivation to have it around. Chrysanthemum. Chrysanthemums contain pyrethrin, a characteristic bug spray. This substance repulses mosquitoes and different insects, for example, cockroaches, bugs and flies. You can likewise utilize this plant to abstain from getting bug nibbles by rubbing the clears out on your skin. Geranium. A standout amongst the most widely recognized plants used to repulse insects and embellish front yards is the geranium. Geranium smells unequivocally of lemon and citronella. There are additionally ivy geraniums which contain a substance Tot fills in as a characteristic bug spray and repellent, so it fends off mosquitoes. Citronella. This is likely extraordinary compared to other known contrasting options to repulse insects, and it's utilized to make candles and oils. The plant fills in as an anti-agent on its possess, however you can utilize it straightforwardly on your skin to additionally avert bug chomps. Have a go at pounding some citronella leaves and rubbing them straight on your body. You can likewise make a concentrate tea to clean your home with, or leave in liquor for a couple of days and utilize it as a splash. It turns out to be significantly more successful at the point when it's utilized with 2 other common anti-agents, for example, catnip and geranium.